If you could live someone else's life for a day, who would you swap with?
I wouldn't swap my life with anyone. I'm very happy with my life, with what I have, and with all the experiences that I've got. So no swapping for me.
Oh, nice. Interesting answer. It is scary to have Manu Bhakar as your opponent at the range. But what scares Manu Bhakar?
At the range, I feel like it's my arena, so
Hmm.
I am not really scared of like.
Okay.
I
But
made peace with spiders, lizards, or all the insects and creatures. सबके साथ I have peace, so no, not afraid of anything.
okay. And one superpower you have always wanted to have, and why?
Maybe like very high IQ.
Hmm.
In almost every single thing, I have like some like very smart mind about every single thing. Maybe every segment, like when it comes to sports, when it comes to academics, when it comes to business, when it comes to anything. I just want to like. I mean, of course, it's not possible. Like, if I could have a superpower, it would be probably that.
Nice. And what is your biggest pet peeve?
Annoyance. I think my patience has grown a lot. So I'm probably,
Especially after the medal?
especially after the medal, so my patience has like skyrocketed. But sometimes it's like people sometimes can annoy me, but like my patience has increased a lot, so I can deal with that. But sometimes it's like too much for me.
Okay. And if Manu Bhakar had a theme song, what would it be?
Um, I'm not sure if you've come across this music. It's Rishabh Sharma's Chanakya.
Okay.
It's like he played sitar in that,
Oh.
and I really like that. Although there are many other audios that are very I really love them. Just say theme of Kal Bhairava, a theme of Shiva, and then there is another video of Rishabh Sharma, Kailash. I think Shiv Kailash.
Okay.
Shiv Kailash.
So, and one book or movie that maybe changed your life?
Okay, so nothing as in fact changed my life just like that कि एक book पढ़ ली और life change हो गई, ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. But of course I've learned a lot from different sorts of books. I don't have a genre, so I read like different kinds of books all the time. But one of my favorite books, I have already like said it so many times, but I'll say it again. It's Usain Bolt's Faster Than Lightning. Very lovely book.
Yes.
And then right now I'm reading Many Lives, Many Masters. Again, a very different kind of interesting book.
And okay, this is ironic, but at gunpoint, if you are being asked to get a tattoo, what do you get?
Honestly, I already have something in my mind. I've already decided to get a tattoo, but I'm just looking forward कि कुछ something drastic happens and then I'll go and get the tattoo. But I will not reveal that right now.
Okay, later on Sportstar
So-
exclusive, guys. That is coming
Okay.
maybe in a few years. And on a cheat day, what are you going for? Except aloo paratha. Trick question.
Come on, yeah, everyone knows this. By now, everyone knows
Except
like
aloo paratha,
parathas
that is
is
out of
like,
the
okay,
equation.
this is what's going to happen. But I barely get cheat days and all.
Yeah.
So I've made peace with healthy food. I enjoy healthy food. So I've found like delicious recipes
A
of
sentence
healthy
I'll never
food
say.
and all. But cheat day and all, like, agar hoga to parathe, it's gonna be. I'm not gonna betray my parathas.
Okay, a hidden talent of Manu Bhakar.
आई थिंक अब तक तो कुछ भी हिडन नहीं रह गया है. अब तक तो सब कुछ ओपन बुक हो गया है. सो आई enjoy doing so many things, including Indian classical dance form, then different sorts of music and all, and different. I have several hobbies like horse riding or different sports and all. So fitness also, it's like major one of them.
If not for a career in sport, what would you have done?
I think I would have been a doctor because I had medical science in my 11th, 12th, and I was very good with biology. So I think I would have been a doctor, if not a shooter. It was pretty much decided for me, and I was very serious about that.
What is the last thing that you have Googled? You can check your phone if you want.
No, I remember what I Googled. So I tend to Google people and organizations a lot. So the last thing that I Googled was everything about Leander Pace. because I recently met him and I was like, okay, what do I not know about him? We all know like he is such a good athlete and he has won so many awards and medals and all. But I wanted to do a detailed, just quick study about it. So yeah, that.
Nice. And what would you say was your most favorite or memorable match?
Most favorite or memorable match? I think almost every match for me has some sort of special memory to it, because in some matches earlier I used to cry also in matches. I used to get so emotional if I'm not doing good. I would
Mexico, weapon malfunction.
Germany also, weapon malfunction. I think that one also. I remember almost each and every match of mine, all the like emotions that I had during the matches. So almost everything I remember. But there's not like I can specifically pinpoint, okay, this is a match I love, absolutely love, and this is the memory I want to. So many actually.
Okay. And the last question would be, what amount you could pay to go back to the moment which saw you lose that bronze medal in the final, to lose the bronze medal in the final shot?
The third one,
Third one, yeah.
see, I am a very practical kind of person, and I am aware that no amount of money or no amount of anything can actually take me back in time and try and do better to win the third medal. So I'm just going to focus on my present and try my best in the future so that I can give better results in future. Yeah,
Perfect. Thank you so much.
thank you.